اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم قل ما کنت بدعا من الرسل وما ادری ما یفعل بی ولا بکم ان اتبع الا ما یوحى الی وما انا الا نذیر مبین. The translation is, say, I am no new messenger, nor do I know what will be done with me or with you in this life. I do but follow what is revealed to me, and I am but a plain warner.
Huzur, could you kindly explain to us what is meant by bid'an min ar-rusul?
It is because before Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there were so many prophets of God who came. There was a long chain of prophets, not only directly linking him to Hazrat Adam, but other prophets as well. And those who opposed them, they met the same fate. So he said, I don't know personally what may happen to you, but I'm following Allah's revelations, and He knows. And when He says He knows what's going to happen to you, the whole history of prophethood is open before everybody. The entire history of prophethood before tells you, warns you again and again and again that you are going to be harshly treated by Allah if you treat His prophets harshly.